Alright, thanks for joining here. Like many other videos in this series, it's just going to be a list of a whole bunch of different photo spots. Some of these I found through online communities who have suggested certain spots, whether engagement photos, prom photos, graduation, etc. Just a list, we'll get through it here. We have 83 to go. Chaco Local Wildlife Management Area. Northern Alabama, including Tuscaloosa, Talladega, not Tuscaloosa. Did that in the last video. No particular order, just opportunities for some cool photos. Maybe you're starting your portfolio and you want to check some places out. Talladega Speedway, of course. Grand Prix Raceway. I'm not going to read every single one of these, but this will give you a good idea here to kind of know what you want to take a further dive into, right? Screenshot some of these, maybe refer to it later if you're visiting these areas. Pirates Bay. What is this one? Cedar Bluff, Alabama. Magnolia Overlook. Little River Canyon National Preserve. Scenic areas, nature preserves, museums, different tourist attractions. Parks are a big one. There's a couple rivers in these areas. Alabama Welcome Center. They usually have a good Welcome Center sign. Central Time Zone sign. That's interesting. Larkwood Falls. Clear Creek. So a lot of these recreation areas and parks have specific points of interest inside their parks. So just keep that in mind when you're looking at some of these. Camp Jackson Scout Reserve. Or Reservation Campground. Jackson County Park. There's a few state parks, I think, thrown in here. Scottsboro Municipal Park. Gunnersville Museum. This one here, I don't know why it's listed twice, but I think I clicked on two separate spots that I found. Different hiking trails. Marshall County Park. Gunnersville City Harbor. Amphitheater, if you like outdoor events, concerts. Red Mill. All Red Marina. So let me know in the comments below where you guys are from. And if you've been to any of these areas and you think some of them might be overhyped. Hawk Pride. First thing I thought was Hawk Tua, I wouldn't be surprised if she's got a monument now. Cane Creek Canyon Nature Preserve. Just says lake area. It's kind of vague, but Seven Springs Park. Freedom Hills Overlook. Freedom Hills Wildlife Management Area. Nature trails. Wildlife Reserve Centers. Black Warrior Wildlife Management Area. National Forest. This is actually a fairly big forest. RV campgrounds, hiking, biking. Some of these have some off-roading trails I saw that looked kind of neat. International airports are always good if you're into plane spotting and those types of photos. I like how the stop sign is the point of interest here. That's it. They want you out. Weedington Park. That's kind of a nice overlook there. Where's that one? Section, Alabama. North Sawtee Refuge. Mud Creek. High Top Trail. Off-roading area. More parks and nature preserves. Helen Keller Birthplace. Preserved 1820s childhood home. I didn't know she was from that area. But I guess that's what you get when you watch some of these videos, right? Alabama Music Hall of Fame. 7 Mile Island. Marinas are always cool if you like to watch boats come and go. I just like to see the different types of boats. Joe Wheeler State Park. Good Hall House. It's like a burnt down building that was barely standing. But it's historical, that's probably why. Mallard Fox Creek, Swan Creek Wildlife Area, Huntsville Speedway. Is that midget cars? Dirt? No, I don't know if that's a dirt track. Doesn't look like a dirt track. Madison County Nature Trail. Green Mountain. You got some cool spots here. But if you look hard enough, you can find something, right? There's something for everybody. At least I hope so. Lost Sink Falls. Now this one here, this trailhead has a couple different spots to it, so it's a pretty big trail. Levin's Gap. It's got a lot of decent reviews. 199. Rayanne Spring Park. I don't know if that's a city park or what. Children's Splash Pad. It says it's a relaxed park. Well, I want a park that's just chaotic, you know? I don't want to say chaotic. Maple Hill. So let me know also what you guys want to see next, what areas you're heading to. Botanical Gardens are good spots. Bell Mountain Park. More nature preserves. Those are the pedestrian bridges. Vaughan Braun Center. Children's Museum. More museums. And then downtown, you always can get some really cool spots downtown, especially in parking structures, on the rooftops. So look for those as opportunities as well. Well, we're getting through this list here. Let's see what we have next. Got a couple spots in mind. Wedding chapels, you know, some of those buildings are actually really cool. Of course, why would they look like garbage, right, if they're hosting events? Especially if they have such good reviews. I've never seen a wedding chapel that looked like crap, but I'm sure some of them do. Okay, last one here is going to be the Space and Rocket Center. Tons of reviews on this museum here. So that's it for this video, and be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next. I have a lot that's coming, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.